A message from the Commodore Chittagong to the flag officer commanding East Pakistan Navy was intercepted, indicating that a desperate enemy was planning to get away by camouflaged merchant ships. To counter this developing situation, Vikrant steamed north, and 29 Seahawk strikes armed with 500-pound bombs and rockets were launched against shipping and targets around Chittagong. The results of the day's work were summed up in a signal from the Eastern Fleet Commander to the Commander-in-Chief. Be pleased to report that at the end of 24 hours of continuous sorties involving constant Alizé recce and bombing and Seahawk strikes, Cox's Bazar and Chittagong have been rendered inoperative. There is no merchant ship of any size in Chittagong Harbour or approaches which has not been struck and incapacitated. This operation undoubtedly highlighted the decisive impact of an aircraft carrier in naval operations. The enemy submarine PNS Ghazi, deployed to sink Vikrant, found a watery grave at the bottom of the sea off Vishakhapatnam harbour after defensive anti-submarine action by Indian naval ships Rajput and Akshay. Vikrant remained forever invincible.